Welcome to day 16 of this 30-day ritual and guided meditation centered around the moon cycle. Tonight, we are going to focus on vision. Grab your journal, whether it's a new journal or the same journal you ripped the pages out of. This journal symbolizes a new beginning, one of attraction and manifesting. Now that you've cleared space, what do you actually want? Not vague goals. Be specific. What do I want more of in my life right now? Be specific or be vague. Just really think about what you want and what you need. Clarity creates direction. Take your time. I would also encourage you to expand this and create a vision board. Pictures of what you want. A clear visual of what would bring you joy and peace. When you're ready, find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Yesterday, you created space. Today, we begin to turn toward what you want to invite into your life. Not with pressure, not with perfect answers, but with openness and clarity. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold gently for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Feel your chest expand, your ribs widen. Hold, and exhale long and steady. One more time. Inhale. Hold. And exhale, releasing any tension. Now allow your breath to settle into a calm, natural rhythm. Bring your awareness into your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your attention downward. Relax your forehead. Soften your eyes. Release your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Your chest soften. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Feel your body supported, grounded, present. Now bring your awareness to the space you created over the past 2 weeks. Notice how it feels. Open, quiet, maybe even a little uncertain. Just observe it without needing to fill it yet. Just like the moon begins to grow again after its darkest phase, this is where something new starts to take shape. Not all at once, but gradually and with intention. Now, gently ask yourself, what do I want more of in my life? And what sounds good? Not what others expect. Just what feels true for you. Don't force an answer. Let it come naturally. It might be a feeling, a direction, a simple word. If something begins to come up, stay with it. What does it feel like? Calm, grounded, energizing, peaceful. Focus more on the feeling than the exact outcome. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine settling into that feeling. Again, inhale and exhale, allowing your body to align with it. You don't need a full plan today. Clarity begins with direction, and direction begins with awareness. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale fully. Feel your body steady, grounded, open. Silently repeat to yourself, I am open to creating what I truly want. When you're ready, gently bring movement back into your body. And slowly open your eyes. You don't need all the answers. You just need a direction. Tomorrow will start getting clearer. I'll see you for day 17. Good night, and remember, only bring peace to bed.